Please first pause the video and try creating this sketch with your own ideas. To draw this sketch, I start by creating two circles here with diameters of 30 millimeters and 50 millimeters. Then I'll create two more circles with diameters of 15 millimeters and 30 millimeters here. Then I'll apply the relations to them. And next, I'll use the line tool to connect the circles and then add fillets to these sections. So first I draw a circle with a diameter of 30 millimeters. I open a sketch on the front plane, select the circle tool, draw the first circle, and then draw another circle concentric with it. Let's say the circle I draw here is not concentric with the previous one. Let's place it here. To make the two circles concentric, I can make this point coincident or merge with the previous circle's center. Coincident and merge are often confused because they make points appear to overlap, but they serve distinct purposes. A coincident relation positions a point to lie on an entity, like a point on a line, where it can slide freely unless further constrained, like a point coincident with a line's endpoint or a circle's center. Merge, however, combines two distinct points into a single point, such as merging the centers of two circles or the endpoints of two lines into one. So here I apply the merge relation. I press Ctrl-Z. Another way to make the two circles concentric is to select both circles and apply the concentric relation. Again, I draw two more circles here. Make them concentric, and align their centers horizontally with the previous two circles. I'll apply dimensions, a diameter of 30, 50, 15, and 30 millimeters. Then I use the line tool to connect the circles. I select the line tool. If SolidWorks automatically applies a tangent relation while drawing this line, accept it, and then remove the tangent relation. In my case, it didn't happen. I align these 2 points vertically to meet at the same position. Similarly, I align these 2 points vertically. Now these 2 points move together like this. I set a dimension of 135 millimeters and a dimension of 16 millimeters. However, the 16 millimeter dimension will be defined after applying the fillet here, so for now, I set the 135 millimeter dimension. Then I use the Trim Entities command to remove the inner entities, allowing me to apply fillets at the intersections. I press Ctrl-Z. Notice that without trimming the inner entities, I can't add the fillet. Why is that? Because as I mentioned before, this point isn't recognized as an intersection, but once trimmed, I can apply the fillet here. So I must first trim this section, then apply the fillet. I set a fillet radius of 11.5 for all 4 corners. Type 11.5 here, and select the points in the Entities to Fillet box. I set these 2 points to have a distance of 16 millimeters, and the other 2 to have a distance of 25 millimeters. The sketch got messed up, but that's fine. We can grab a point and adjust it like this. $25 millimeters. So, this way, we complete the sketch.